Edwards, photography rock star of Guided by Imagination. One of the problems that I had faced when I started out my business, and I'm sure many of you can relate to this, is how to differentiate yourself from your competition. Because I became very frustrated with the amount of photographers that there are in the San Diego area and not really realizing how was I different. It wasn't until I started developing my own personal style and how I connect with people to really share that experience, to create an experience and memories that they'll always remember and they'll get to share for the rest of their lives. So how I did that was really in that connection and almost some soul searching too, to really understand what an impact that I can make with my business. Also with some brand identity. Now, branding is super important as a business owner, as we all know, and how you can really overcome those frustrations to step into the next level for your business. That was super important to me, and I invite all of you out there to really look at what you're doing that's different from your competitors and how you can make your mark in the industry and the services that you provide. Make every day a celebration with Guided by Imagination.